Hello again, grade 6, and welcome back to KIS Online. We are now on Unit 6, Week 1, Part 2. Yesterday, we had the story, and then we answered few questions. We wrote true or false. And now, this is our lesson 2. We have more questions then, and then we try to answer. Again, I welcome you to Unit 6, Week 1, Part 2. From our story yesterday, here are our questions. You have to write the correct letter of your answer. For number 1, we have to match the first phrase to the second phrase to create a correct sentence. You can answer by writing the letter on the box. All right? So number 1 is given as your example. The children finished their picture, letter E, of a bike that can fly. So letter E. Now, you have to answer. I'll give you 3 seconds. Guess your letter, and then I'll give you the correct answer. Ready? Number 2. Their new form of transportation is good blank. What's your answer? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C, for the environment. I will read again the sentence. Their new form of transportation is good for the environment. All right, let's move to number 3. Mr. Martin's letter says that all the ideas are, what's your answer? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Mr. Martin's letter says that all the ideas are very imaginative. Let's move on to number 4. The children don't win. What's the answer? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is B. The children don't win the hot air balloon ride. Let's go to last number. Number 5. The children win a new computer. What's the letter? 3, 2, 1. It's D, for their clock. All right, that's for number 1. Now, ready? Exercise number 2. This time, you have to complete the sentences using the words inside the box. I would read for you. Lips, avoids, lands, travels, pedals, pushes. So these are verbs, and 1 is given as your example. So you don't have to answer again the word travels, because that's the answer for number 1. I will read. This invention travels on the road like a normal bike. Are you ready? Let's answer question number 2. It changes into a flying machine when the rider blank backwards. What's your answer? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is pedals. It changes into a flying machine when the rider pedals backwards. All right, let's go to number 3. Air goes into the balloon and the bike blank off the road. You can see in the picture. So what's your answer for number 3? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is lifts. The air goes into the balloon and the bike lifts off the road. That's for number 3. Let's move on to number 4. It is very useful on a busy road because it blank traffic. What's your answer? 3, 2, 1. The answer is avoids. It is very useful on a busy road because it avoids traffic. Let's go to number 5. To calm down, the rider blank a device at the front of the bike. What's your answer? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is pushes. To calm down, the rider pushes a device at the front of the bike. And last number, and we have the last word, the air comes out the balloon and the bike lands. The air comes out of the balloon and the bike lands. All right. That's for our question exercise number 2. Let's go to the last exercise, which is writing the correct words. Here is the line. So the instruction is read and circle one incorrect word in each line. So I underline already. This is line 1, circle, and then the correct answer. Line 2, here is the incorrect word. Line 3, this is the incorrect word. Line 4, this is the incorrect word. Line 5, this is the incorrect word. And line 6, this is the incorrect word. What you're going to do now is to write the correct word for the underlined word. Ready? It's just like for number 1. Number 1 is the incorrect. They have just one, not first, but the correct word is second. Let's go to number 2. I will read. The DSD Club has just won second prize in the competition and now they have a new balloon. What's the correct word? In 3, 2, 1. The answer is computer. Clubs and schools entered a competition to design a form of traffic for the future. Traffic, what's your answer? 3, 2, 1. Answer is transportation. The DSD Club entry was a design for a blank. Is it a car that can swim? 4 and 5. Is it a car? What's your answer? 3, 2, 1. I know you've been thinking a bike that can, number 5, fly. And last number, the competition was judged by the Museum of Science and a letter was sent to the club to tell them about the prize. Was judged by the Museum of Inventions. All right, and that's it. We've finished exercises 1, 2, and 3. How many points have you got? I hope you learned a lot today. And that ends our Unit 6, Week 1, Part 2. See you on our next video for our Part 3. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone and goodbye.